for Motovlog number 10. Headed over to Bikes and Coffee. Got three other guys with me. Got Brandon right here, Lowrider S. I got two other guys behind me. He's kind of on like a stunt bike, and then another guy on a Honda crotch rocket. I don't really know too much about kind of model bikes on Honda, so man, good old Hall Street traffic. Just cruising through. Give you a high five. Whoop. Beautiful morning out here. Probably in the 80s, but it's not really humid, so it's like one of those perfect mornings to be out on our scooter ride. Tell you what, people on Hall Street, man, the only bad thing about riding on Hall Street is some people, man, they just drive like idiots. But hey, that's why you as a rider have to be 100% defensive, because people nowadays, man, they do not look out for bikes at all. At all. Just had a guy this morning try to cut right out in front of me, make a U-turn on me. But that's what you got to look out for. People just drive that way. Yeah, so headed over here and gonna see how busy everyone is. Might not be too many people out here. It is Father's Day, so not really expecting a lot of people. Brandon is fucking rolling, Jack. No, boy. Out here, killer. Here I come, boy. Oh, wow. Alright. Back up here in front of the pack. Sometimes Brandon likes to take off in front of people because they got a big old upgraded motor. Still back on my stock twin cam 88. Can't help it, you're out here riding with these old, I won't give his secret away of what he upgraded his bike to, but let's just say that he's got a bigger motor than me. I apologize for all the wind noise. I'm not 100% sure how well this stuff is going to pick up. When you're going about 70-80 miles an hour with a helmet that isn't 100% windproof, the audio might not come out so clear. Once we get back down to about 45 or so, you should be able to hear me a little bit better. Yeah, so yesterday's event for the birthday drive-by went good. Had a great turnout. Well over 100 bikes, cars. So glad that not really often that you get, you know, the bike community and the car community all together in the same spot. So when you do, it's awesome. So I will pick y'all back up at Bikes and Coffee so I can save this half battery on my GoPro, and I'll pick y'all back up in a few.
Nice little turnout for Father's Day. The expected amount. Some hidden gems over here in the corner. Oh, what you doing? Look at these. Ah, damn. Dude, it is so super hot in the sun. I don't see how y'all is standing over there. Look at all y'all sweating.
All right, so that would be the end of Motovlog 10 of Bikes and Coffee. It is just too damn hot out here to be dealing with this shit. So, hope y'all enjoyed this little video. Not a super long video, but it's a video, and I'm trying to put as many out to you as I can. So, hope you enjoy it, and I'll be back next week with another one. Comment, like, subscribe, share, do what you do. See you later.